Salagadool and then chickabool, a bibbidi bobbidi.
Oh, I'm still running. Ah!
Yeah, we own Pakistan.
Oh yeah? Okay. Dry. Behind the water tank for the Craig. Left side, he was poking out right there. Is that our guy? I think that's our guy. That's our guy. Okay, okay. Same team. Red. Watch out. Oh, that's our guy. I think some of my shots seem to be diving, maybe. Oh, I got you, thank you. One of us did. I think I got shots from back here. I don't know. They done caught us to the respawn. Green, lap. Team Funhouse, I'm reloading. Funhouse, yep. You got it. Not a good
now they're staring at 6 men with guns drawn. It was a fucking ambush. This was a fucking bomb dropping on Beaver Cleaverville. For a few seconds, this place was Armageddon. There was a firefight!
Coming out hard, yeah. Bring it, big man, bring it, bring it! Let me see what you got, buddy! Whoop, 2 of them. We got one far west. Oh, good shot! Got him in the finger. That was awesome, that was an awesome battle, bro. That was hella good, bro. That was hella good battle right there. They were spraying hard with them. And we still had them off with no speed trigger pistols. Like, get on it, bro. Oh, was that our guy? Okay, okay. Brian, right side, Brian. Okay, never mind. Lucas! I got you 6, Luke. Back purple's strong. Our team.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you.
You, buddy. Damn, I'm gonna use those. We had that push hard, bro.
Mud on the floor. Desperate people trying to get through the door, although the room's already crowded.
Oh my God, all of them? Holy crap! Way to go, Red. Yeet! Huh? What? Why would I shoot you? Oh. No, it was me.